I'm Jay.
And I'm Elle.
And we're James and Lesley on J-ROYL. Today's episode of the Royal Rumble is going to be a bit different. We are discussing essential oils, and Lesley's going to tell us her favorite out of the 14 that I have.
Wow.
Here we go. Welcome back to J-ROYL, everyone. This is Friday, which means it's a fun day for fragrance. And this time we're going to talk about essential oils, which are definitely fragrances, but they're not ones you put on your body unless if you're really weird.
Yeah.
Essential oils are mainly used in oil diffusers, which Lesley and I use all the time. Really, really nice way to make your place smell good, not just your body. Have you been enjoying the oil diffusing stuff that's been happening?
Yeah.
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 Yeah, that's good. I have 14 essential oils that we're going to talk about today and battle against. And I've paired them off into twos. They're kind of similar in their pairing, so Lesley's going to pick her favorite just out the bottle because they do smell pretty similar out the bottle than they do in the air once they're diffused. And it'd also take way too long if we waited for the oil to diffuse and then we sat and smelt it for all 14. This will be the longest video of all time. We don't got time for that. Lesley, are you ready for the rumble?
Mm-hmm.
Let's get ready to do that rumble. The first category I'll put on the screen. Number 1.
Mm-hmm. Nice.
Ah, yeah, I like that reaction.
Yeah, like soft mints.
Number 2.
Okay.
Now, which one is your favorite? Number 1 or number 2?
Number 2.
Number 2.
Yeah.
Number 2 takes it. Great.
Yeah.
What did you smell there?
Mint.
Mint. Excellent. That was our mint category.
Yeah.
Mint is pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
See what I did there?
Aha, cool mint.
Yeah, cool mint, dude. Next grouping we have this.
It smells like a cold.
It smells like a cold. Not cold, but a cold.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then this. Oh.
Not my favorite.
Not her
I'm gonna
favorite.
have to go with the first one.
The first one,
Yeah.
which is...
I do have a little bit of an obsession with Vicks.
Next up we have... Like my sound effects?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So we have this.
Oh. That's hideous.
All right. And this.
Oh, no, scared. Okay, that's a little better.
A little better. Okay.
That's cinnamony?
Cinnamon. Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Great. So cinnamon beats out rosemary.
Oh god, that was awful.
Next up. This. So much pain in your face.
Yeah.
Or this.
The brown label just doesn't set me up well, does it? Oh my god! I didn't like any of them.
Alright. Are they both eliminated?
I have to say so. They're
Alright.
disgusting.
That's cool with me. Next up, we have these.
It's better.
It's better.
Yeah.
Okay. Or this.
That one.
This one.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Here's the winner. This.
Yeah.
Aww. A nice face.
Smells like a lollipop.
Or this.
First one.
Really? Okay.
I think so.
Okay, great. Finally, for our last category, these are kind of the remainders. They're sort of related, but they're not as related as the other pairings. So first we have this.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm just not a fan of that smell.
Yeah. Or this.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Winner.
Lemongrass.
Yeah, that's lemongrass. We have 6 left because, unfortunately, clove bud and frankincense
Ew.
got eliminated real quick. 2 pairs of 3 that we're going to do. What I want you to do is smell these with your eyes closed, because now you can familiarize yourself with the label colors and kind of have a preconceived notion of what you're gonna smell. So 3 essential oils, tell me your favorite, 1, 2, or 3, and then we'll move on to the next set.
Okay.
Number 1.
Okay.
Number 2.
This is strange. Oh, I smelled it.
You smelled it? It took a while, but we got there.
I smelled it ages ago, sorry.
And number 3.
Okay.
Okay, if you had to pick your favorite of those 3, what's your favorite?
Number 3.
Number 3.
Yeah.
Okay, great.
It's weird.
Yeah.
Like, close your eyes. Like, having to trust somebody to put it up to your nose and knowing when to smell.
Well, I would hope you trust me, Lesley.
I know, but then knowing when to smell.
Oh, okay.
If you don't feel anything.
All right, Lesley, are you ready to close your eyes again?
Yes, I'm closed.
Okay, great. Number 1. Yeah.
Yeah.
Number 2.
Okay.
And number 3.
Oh, it's hard.
Yeah.
Number 2 and 3 smell very similar.
Okay.
But I think I like 3.
Number 3.
Yeah.
Before we go to our final winner, what I wanted to quickly talk about is blends, because Lesley and I find that blending essential oils together kind of creates interesting little characteristics. And what I do is I even try and mimic a fragrance that I really like in essential oil form. So sometimes when I want to replicate the cinnamon type of feel, cinnamon and peppermint can really work well. So you kind of put them equal parts in, maybe a little less of the peppermint because it can be pretty strong, and you get a cinnamon type of feel that you would get in like a gum or something, you know what I'm saying? Using peppermint again, I sometimes combine it with frankincense, and that gives me a slight Memoir Man by Amouage type of feel, which I do really enjoy for myself, although I don't really put it in our little cabin all the time because it is kind of potent. And now, without further ado, let's go find out our victor. What is the ultimate essential oil? And these two, they have a little bit of a similarity, but let's just go and find out which one you like the best, okay?
Yeah.
Eyes closed. Number 1. Or number 2.
Let's go for number 2.
Number 2.
Yeah.
Your winner is lime.
I knew it.
Even though eucalyptus was number 2, you did also really like lemongrass. It was kind of a tight race between those two.
Yeah.
But I decided to group them all together because they're all kind of citrusy. Lime and eucalyptus, technically they're both green, but lime is definitely just citrus.
Yeah.
So I guess you gravitate towards that kind of feel.
I do like citrus ones.
Yeah. So that's it, guys. This is something a little bit different, you know, not spray fragrances. These are little drippy drop ones, you know, but and yeah, it was a lot for Lesley's nose to take, and I'm really happy you participated.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Lesley.
Thank you.
Have fun with essential oils, everyone. Whether you're a faithful J-ROYL viewer or you're a new person that knows all about essential oils, let me know which ones you like, because there's tons out there. And if you have any questions about them, let me know. Maybe I'll know the answers, but I probably won't, but I'll try my best to answer them anyway.
Mhm.
This is just our opinion, right?
Yeah.
So, if you know about opinions, you know that it's person to person, different opinions. So I got my opinion.
You got mine.
Lesley has hers.
And you've got yours.
And you've got yours. And if you want to see other videos of me and Lesley, they're here, and there's some videos where Lesley's maybe not in it, but I mean, they're still okay. Not as good as when she's in them, but